adventure with Chef Lily. Once upon a time, in a magical kitchen, Chef Lily was getting ready for a special cooking adventure. She gathered her tools to create a delicious feast. First, Chef Lily took out her favorite knife. "I need this sharp knife to cut colorful veggies," she said with a smile. On her bright cutting board, she placed the vegetables and chopped them into funny shapes. Next, she grabbed a big pan and turned on the stove. "Let's heat up the pan for our tasty meal," Chef Lily cheered. She added magical ingredients and stirred them with a beaten egg until they became friends. While the ingredients were dancing in the pan, Chef Lily checked the temperature with her thermometer. "We want everything to be just right," she explained to her little kitchen helpers. She then used a sieve to sprinkle some fairy dust into the mix, making it extra special. "Sift, sift, sift, like magic," Chef Lily giggled. To keep track of time, Chef Lily set a timer. "Ding, ding, ding. Our delicious dish will be ready soon," she exclaimed, clapping her hands. For the finishing touch, Chef Lily used her pastry brush to paint the dish with a shiny glaze. "It's like giving it a sparkly hug," she said, smiling. Finally, Chef Lily placed the masterpiece in the oven. "Bake, bake, bake, until it's a yummy delight," she sang as the kitchen filled with a delightful aroma. And there, in the magical kitchen, Chef Lily and her friends enjoyed the most enchanting meal they had ever created. The end of a perfect cooking adventure.